Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at just a stunning 1948 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. Guys, this is a quality build. Very, very nicely done truck. It is finished in, it's all steel truck. It is finished in PPG. It's called Dark Chestnut, which is a brown metallic, and it is gorgeous. It's got all custom chocolate leather interior in it. I can't say enough about this build. We've been very blessed here lately. We've had some really nice fat fender trucks, and this one is right up there, man. This is a very well-built truck. Again, all steel, boxed frame. It's got a Mustang II front suspension. It has a, it's a leaf rear suspension, but it was done by a company. Truck hits the road outstanding. You can see the paint really slick. I'm going to apologize right now about the pollen. It's terrible out here. We've wiped it down about 3 times. We've got cars coming and going, and so I'm sure you're going to see some dustiness to it. But great truck, man. This thing really drives out awesome. All new glass. I mean, we've got a bunch of information on the build. The fit and finish on the truck is outstanding. Sorry, that's what I'm talking about. If you see this stuff, it's just the pollen. We're trying to wipe it off. It's just so bad out here today. All custom oak bed. It's really neat how they did these running boards. There's a name for the running boards. You buy them right from a company done like that. Again, it's all steel truck. And I really can't say enough about it. Great build. Can you see this? That's just pollen if you're seeing that in places. Gorgeous truck. Couple little stone packs. Seen one there on the fender. But other than that, man, you're just nitpicking the truck, because this truck is gorgeous. Custom roll pan. It's got all stainless exhaust. Again, that's just pop, guys. It's brutal out here right now. Again, I love these trucks, and I tell you what, I'm not the only one. I mean, we sell them as fast as we get them. These are 10-inch rear wheels. American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. BF Goodrich Radial T is all the way around it. But those are 10-inch wides in the rears. Again, it's got a Mustang II front suspension, power rack and pinion steering. It has power front disc brakes. And there, the guy put together a nice sheet of everything. The wiring harness, all the Lokar stuff that's on it. But this is a 71 Z28 engine. Still got the Z28 aluminum intake on it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, 9.5 to 1 forged pistons. It's got a blue racer cam in it. I'm trying to think. Steel crank. It's a 4-bolt main block. It has 202 fuelie heads on it. You can see it's got the finned aluminum, air cleaner and valve covers, ceramic headers. It's got all Billet Specialty brackets and pulleys, vintage AC. You can see how they finished the fire. They smoothed out the firewall over there. That's a Griffin aluminum radiator. Again, tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got Heidts 2-inch drop spindles on the front. Gosh, what am I forgetting? 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission with a stall converter and a shift kit. Killer truck, man. And I really, you guys probably heard me say this before we got back there. thought about having Dr. Roo come over here and put some pinstriping on it, but every time I do that, somebody wants something different, so I'm gonna leave it alone. And if you see that, that's just a little wax on there. These function, these work. Again, all new glass, new door handles. What do they call, bear claw hinges on this thing. You can see how nice the leather in here is. And this stuff is nice. There's something for the radio in the back. It's got a complete custom sound system in it. Love the seat, very comfortable. This is called chocolate brown leather. It's got a flaming river chrome tilt column in it with a Grant Banjo wheel. Completely redid all the gauges. There's something about them too, the way they move. 19,629. That is the miles on this truck. It was built to drive. Moon tack. Really cool custom Lokar shifter. The power windows are hidden in the middle of the seat. There's your radio up there. All that stuff works. Electric wipers, easy wiring harness. Gosh, I'm trying to think of everything on this truck. It's got stainless dual exhaust. It's all boxed frame, front and rear. It's got a Currie 9-inch rear with Moser axles. I think it said it's a 375. Tru Trac gear. Of course, oak bed, custom fuel tank. It's been it's a leaf spring suspension, but the suspension is done by somebody too. Again, very nice underneath. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice truck, man, this one's going to be tough to beat. Really slick. Again, sorry about the pollen. And if you know what I mean about these trucks, man, they were, they're pretty tough built. They weren't like modern day trucks. These things were used on farms and stuff like that. Normally you shut the doors and they clang and bang. I mean, this one is really nice. It's got some plug-ins, probably for your phone. It's got all Lokar cables and brackets and everything on it. Dual mirrors. Mallory trigger up there. Air blows going. It's actually a knob on the front. I don't know if anybody knows where to turn it on at. It's on the dash. It's on the knob. It's alright. Truck just awesome truck. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice fat fender Chevy, this is tough to beat, guys. This is an outstanding truck. So this is the air. That's your blower motor, and then that's your the temperature control. All the gauges are functional. You can see it's holding great oil pressure. The electric wipers too work. Moon tack works. Yeah, the fit and finish, outstanding. Power windows, yep, they work. Radio's up here, it all works. The electric wipers. It's all Dynamat in there too, so it's quiet in the cab. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.